Timmy. Bye, Calvin.
Bye, Calvin.
Oh my God, I am so happy the kids are
So
gone.
glad they are gone.
Oh.
I am taking off my bra. It might be stuck. It might.
I'm gonna pull really hard. Here we go. Ready? Someone, there's your baby back here. Go to school. Go to school. I'm sorry.
That's okay. It happens. You forget a baby sometimes. I've got a can of WD-40 if that'll help get the bra off.
Let me just spray this into your bra. Ready? There's a mosquito in it. There's a mosquito. All right, here you go. Another last. You ready?
Yep.
I did it so fast. I did it so fast. The sound.
It was like you broke the sound barrier. I've been holding in all that anger.
Hey.
What?
First day of school. You celebrate the kids are gone with a bottle of wine with me.
Absolutely.
Let me just open this bottle of wine.
Okay.
So there's a.
I know. I can't wait to drink it either.
Let me just see if I can pop the cork.
Take the cork out.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Nice. Here, let me get these glasses down.
Oh, get the crystal.
I'll get the crystal. Watch what happens when I put them together. It usually sounds much louder than that.
Try it again.
There it is.
All right, let me just pour this into the glass.
Came out really fast. Wow!
Here we go.
That is a bottle designed for moms.
Hey, nobody want a drink? Hey,
All right, let's cheers.
Hey, to us, the people who make this world work.